Are you tired of juggling multiple email accounts just to keep things organized? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to create multiple email addresses all within a single Gmail account. This method will save you time, reduce clutter, and make managing your emails a breeze. Start by opening Gmail. In the top right corner, click the gear-shaped settings icon. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full menu where you can control every aspect of your account. Next, go to the Account and Import tab. Here, you'll find the option to add another email address. Click it, and a pop-up window will appear asking for your information. This is where the magic happens. Instead of creating a completely new account, you can make email variations using your existing address. Simply add a plus sign or extra words before the @ symbol. For example, if your email is your name at gmail.com, you could use your name plus newsletters at gmail.com or your name plus work at gmail.com. These variations will funnel emails into your main inbox, making it easy to sort and manage different types of messages, like work, personal, or subscriptions. After entering your email variation, click Next Step, add your password for confirmation, and then click Add Account. And just like that, your new email variations are ready to use. You now have multiple addresses managed under one Gmail account, all organized and accessible in one place. It's efficient, neat, and perfect for staying on top of your inbox. Try it out and see how much simpler managing your emails can be.